Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Please join me. For work I will use 1.4mm crochet hook and a ball of 100% mercerized cotton yarn, 169 meters and 50 grams. You can choose any color of yarn and any crochet hook. In this video you will see how to crochet amazing complex stitches based on tall stitches. This is my oven pattern. Here how it looks in this color. Pattern consists of 2 rows and has 3 stitches. Let's get started crocheting. Let's crochet the pattern. I will begin from the foundation chain. Make a chain of 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. My foundation chain is ready. It is made of 15 chains. Pattern consists of 3 stitches and has 2 rows. Make chain of 2 to bring up the yarn. Yarn over the hook. Insert the hook into the 1, 2, 3, 4, into the 4th chain stitch away from the hook. Make half double crochet. Make half double crochet into each stitch of the foundation chain. Keep working in this way till the end of this row. I continue working on my pattern. Let's crochet my interesting stitches. This is my own stitch pattern. Make chain of 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 7 chains of them are for chains to bring up the yarn, plus 1 chain. Yarn over the hook twice. Insert the hook into the 1, 2, 3, 4th chain stitch away from the hook. Pull up a loop. So I have got 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the next chain stitch. Pull up a loop. Yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the next chain stitch, pull up a loop. Yarn over the hook. I skip the first stitch. The second, insert the hook into the 3rd stitch, pull up a loop. Pull through first 2 loops. Continue. Then yarn over, pull through 3 loops, 1. So it was my double crochet not finished, and next 2 loops. Continue, yarn over, pull through 3 loops, pull through 3 loops, pull through 2 loops, and pull through 2 loops. My first stitch is ready. Here how it looks. It is based on the chain. Next time I will show you how to crochet such kind of stitches based on tall stitches. Yarn over the hook 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I hold all loops with my finger. Insert the hook into the next stitch, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Make a chain. Yarn over the hook twice. I skip the first pair. Insert the hook into the second pair. I count from the top. Pull up a loop. Yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the next pair. Pull up a loop. Yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the next pair. Pull up a loop. Yarn over the hook. I skip the next stitch, insert the hook into the second stitch, pull up a loop. Pull through first 2 loops. I hold all loops with my finger, yarn over, pull through 3 loops, pull through 3 loops, pull through 3 loops, pull through 2 loops, pull through 2 loops. My complex stitch is ready. This is my own stitch pattern. It is very easy to make and fast. Let's repeat one more time. Yarn over the hook 5 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Insert the hook into the next stitch. Pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops twice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Make a chain. Yarn over the hook twice. Insert the hook into the second pair. Pull up a loop. Then yarn over, insert the hook into the next pair, pull up a loop. Yarn over, insert the hook into the next pair, pull up a loop. Yarn over, insert the hook into the second stitch, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops. Pull through 3 loops, pull through 3 loops, pull through 3 loops, pull through 2 loops, and pull through 2 loops. My third stitch is ready. Here how it looks. And let's repeat one more time. Yarn over the hook 5 times. 3, 4, 5. Insert the hook into the next stitch, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops 6 times. Chain, yarn over the hook twice, insert the hook into the second pair, pull up a loop. 1, 2, 3. Yarn over the hook and insert the hook into the second stitch, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops. Pull through 3 loops, pull through 3 loops, pull through 2 loops, pull through 2 loops. I am done 4 stitches. I like to crochet different stitches. There are a lot of links on my stitches in the description of this video tutorial. Yarn over the hook 5 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Insert the hook into the stitch, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops 6 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Chain, yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the second pair, pull up a loop, and pull up a loop. Yarn over the hook. I skipped the first stitch. Insert the hook into the chain stitch, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops. Then pull through 3 loops, pull through 3 loops, pull through 3 loops, pull through 2 loops, and pull through 2 loops. My last stitch is ready. Here how it looks. It was the second row of my pattern. It could be more stitches or less, it depends on your project. I continue working on my pattern. Let's crochet the next row. It is going to be a row of half double crochet. Pattern consists of 3 stitches and has 2 rows. One of them is complex stitches and the second one is half double crochet, or in your case it could be single crochet or double crochet. Chain of 2 instead of first half double crochet. Yarn over the hook. I skip the first stitch, insert the hook into the second stitch, make half double crochet and half double crochet through the next stitch. Keep working in this way till the end of this row. Make half double crochet into each stitch of the previous row. This is the back side of my project. Here how it looks. Make half double crochet. This is the last stitch. Insert the hook around the chain. Make half double crochet. it was one stitch, and insert the hook into the second chain stitch, make half double crochet. You can mark the stitch, or you can remember this is it is going to be the second stitch from my stitch that I made. My row is ready. This is row 3. Let's crochet the fourth row. It is going to be a row of complex stitches. Let's repeat one more time how to make them. Then you should continue working with your own. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I remind you, 7 of them are for stitches plus 1 chain for the chain space. Yarn over the hook twice, insert the hook into the fourth chain stitch, pull up a loop, insert the hook and pull up a loop, insert the hook and pull up a loop, insert the hook. I skip 1, 2, insert the hook into the next third stitch, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops, then pull through 3 loops, pull through 3 loops, pull through 3 loops, pull through 2 loops, and pull through 2 loops. My first stitch in this row is ready. Continue. Yarn over the hook 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Insert the hook into the next stitch, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Chain, yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the second pair, pull up a loop. 1, 2, 3. Insert the hook into the second stitch, pull up a loop. Pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops, pull through 3 loops, pull through 3 loops, pull through 3 loops, pull through. My second stitch is ready. So keep working this way till the end of this row. Then I will show you how to complete this row with me. Now I show you how to complete this row. Yarn over the hook 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Insert the hook into the next stitch, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Make a chain, yarn over the hook twice, insert the hook into the second pair, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops 1, 2, 3. Yarn over the hook and insert the hook into the second stitch, pull up a loop. This is the first chain stitch from the top. Pull through 2 loops, then pull through 3 loops 1, 2, 3, and pull through 2 loops 1 and 2. A row of complex stitches is ready. Let's crochet the next row. It is going to be a row of half double crochet, chain of 2, yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the second stitch, make half double crochet, then half double crochet into the stitch, then half double crochet into the stitch, then half double crochet into the chain space. Keep working this way till the end of this row. Then you should repeat as many times as you need for your project. So that's it, my pattern is ready. Here how it looks. I remind you, my pattern consists of 2 rows and has 3 stitches. First row is row of half double crochet stitches, and the second row is a row of complex stitches. My complex stitch based on tall stitch. You can use this pattern to create main project, or you can use this pattern to combine with another one. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Follow me in social media and of course crochet with me and learn more. All additional information about the tools could be found in the description of each video tutorial. So please visit and check the description. And for this project you just need to get a ball of yarn and a crochet hook. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time and good luck on crocheting. Bye!